And while Mike is having fun grinding, I'm going to be having fun cleaning up a bunch of mouse poop and mouse droppings here in the garage on this side. I think I'm going to start, actually I'll turn this around. I can't turn it around. Anyways, I'm going to start in this corner down here, I think. We'll, well, watch where you're going while you're videoing. All right, I'm going to start in this corner, I think, cleaning up, but I don't want to gross anyone out, but I mean, when you come back here, let me just zoom in. There's like mouse droppings all over, and that's not as bad as the corner up there. Anyway, so how do you clean up mouse droppings when they're here? Because, you know, there's a thing called hantavirus and a few other things that mouse can spread. So what I do is I have a spray bottle and it's full of a mixture of bleach and water, and I spray the droppings before I clean them up, and I let it sit for a little bit before I start working in that area. So with the spray bottle, I just go through and spray everything and just let it sit for like, say, 10 minutes before I start working in that area. But before I can do anything, as you can see, I have a ton of stuff to move and clean up. So I'm gonna get working on that.
I don't know if you can hear me through the mask, but this is how I clean. Because, I mean, it's nasty. It's very nasty. And I don't want to get a virus or anything. Hey, this is the way I do it. So much fun. It's disgusting. Look at that.
So I added some things back to it, but this whole corner over here got cleaned today. And we now can actually put something on this shelf. We got the drill press and some stuff, ladders. These all we inherited, which is kind of nice. And stuff in the corner. And so starting tomorrow, I will do from here around to there. It's going to be so fun, either tomorrow or the next day.